this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Disney Plus login problems. Let's get started. First, double check that you are entering the correct email address and password associated with your Disney Plus account. If you have forgotten your password, use the forget password option to reset it and create a new one. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connectivity can prevent successful logins. If you're using Disney Plus app, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Disney Plus. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache and cookies for the app. Launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Disney Plus and launch it. Click on offload app and confirm it, then click on reinstall app. Next, try to access Disney Plus using the web version. Launch your preferred browser, head over to the official website of Disney Plus, and from here you can try to access it. Next up, if you are connected to VPN or proxy, you will need to disable it, since it can sometimes interfere with Disney Plus authentication. Next up, check the server status of Disney Plus. Launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website down detector, search for Disney Plus. Now if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.